Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5079391 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to pause and restart the update. Now for this you can go to Windows settings, go to Windows update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once paused, now click on resume updates and then check. So it will detect the update once again and then try to update it and then check. Still not working. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows update. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Make a right click on Windows update, click on restart. Now once done, go to app readiness. At the top somewhere you will find app readiness. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then make a right click, click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click, click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows update, and then over here if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to update. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog, and you can run this command. This command is provided, these commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart it. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can type in the name of the update, that is KB5079391, and then click on search. And let me change the language. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box and then click on WinVer run command. Now over here you can check the update. For me the version is 25H2. This is my version right now. So check your Windows version, then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. So for me the system type is 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. So for me this is the right one. Click on download and then you will see KB5079391. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows update, go to advanced option. Here you can see find recovery, click on recovery. Here fix problems using Windows update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Click on it and then you have to click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file, then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. It will take a long time. Once done, click on finish and let this close automatically, and then you can go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you. to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.